So in this video, what I want to do is I want to discuss how we know when it might be time to settle your personal injury case. And there's really kind of two scenarios that I want to talk about. The first scenario is if the person is involved in a rather significant collision and they have significant amount of medical bills, and unfortunately that person finds themselves in a situation where they're upside down, meaning that they've got more medical bills with a very limited amount of insurance coverage to collect. In that situation, you could almost settle the case immediately after the accident occurs. The other type of situation is if a person is involved in a collision, they're injured, they need medical care, they have follow-up medical care with their treating medical provider, so they get an MRI, then the MRI shows some positive findings that require more extensive medical treatment from a specialist than what they've already received. That type of case, what the person needs to do is they need to figure out what's the full scope of their injuries, what treatment do they need, have they completed their treatment, what's the full amount of their medical bills, and then what do we estimate their future medical care will be in the future and the cost of that future medical care. So once we have that picture in place, at that point in time, that's when we formulate a demand that we send over either to the at-fault driver's insurance or to our own client's uninsured motorist carrier in an attempt to settle their case. So I hope that helps you. I hope that answers maybe some of your questions as to when you might know how to settle your case and when the time is right to do that. And if you have any questions that you'd like to go over with me, please feel free to contact me for a free initial case evaluation.